plans as published before the plans were finalised and implemented. So this is the elevated roadway, and the green shows the elevated overpasses which were and descents. So the traffic from Port Adelaide would travel past this, underneath this overpass, and then up the up ramp and around, whereas people from the north would travel along Salisbury Highway and rise up on the ramp. The problem is that the people who have businesses in this part of Wakefield, this is South Terrace and the railway line, are not being serviced at all by this structure which goes above them. So the proposal at that stage was to have a exit off the Salisbury Highway into the road, but that exit was actually shifted and actually was implemented at this point. But the businesses at ground level in this area cannot exit out of this area onto the Port Expressway or the Salisbury Highway, and what they have to do is travel down, out and around, and go the up ramp to get out of their own businesses. So this is the urban superway, the connector. This is the urban superway, and the ramp which currently takes you down and around is being modified so that when you're travelling north, a new bridge overway is being built across the Port River Expressway. So there'll be two bridges across the expressway at this point, and then vehicles wanting to go to Salisbury would come around, and obviously there'll be another bridge overpass at this point, come around, and there'll be another bridge overpass at this point, and then descend down to this point. Vehicles coming from Salisbury wanting to get in up onto the urban superway will presumably continue to use the existing ramp, but that's not shown on this plan because obviously it's not part of the northern connector structure. There'll also be this, continue to be this, presumably the mentioned entrance to the lower level at this point. Vehicles coming from Port Adelaide on the Port River Expressway wanting to go north would go along a new ramp and join, and vehicles coming from the north would come around and either over or under this bridge and around. At this point there's going to be another bridge required because this is the normal traffic for east-west travelling on the Salisbury Port River Expressway, and so this would then come around and descend down and then go underneath. So there's going to be at least 1, 2, 3, 4 new bridge overpasses necessary for the Port River Expressway and Salisbury Highway at the interchange at the southern end of the Northern Expressway.